All right, so I'm back for video number 3. I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth about algae. I grew up in North Dakota. My lakes had a lot of algae. Living in Minnesota, I'm a lake snob now because we do not have algae in Minnesota, which is kind of weird. But here we go. Algae is made up of mostly aquatic and photosynthetic organisms, and they're usually found in like freshwater oceans and moist environments, lakes, right? Algae do not have like roots, stems, or leaves like plants do. Algae uses the sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food and release oxygen into the environment. I'm reading my little notes that I have on the side because there's a lot. They also have one defining characteristic, which is chlorophyll and other pigments that help them perform photosynthesis. Algae are able to be unicellular, multicellular, but they consist of mainly single cell, like seaweed and whatever kelp is. They are, I can't say this word, eukaryotic organisms. That means that their cells have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Algae are known to have cell walls, although the composition of the cell wall varies from different aspects. Algae can reproduce asexually with cell division or fragmentation, and the variety helps them adapt to different environments that they're living in. Algae is known to produce a lot of oxygen into the Earth's atmosphere through photosynthesis, and this makes it essential for life. And they also use food. They're used as foods for humans and animals like ourselves, and they also are able to be used to make products that like they're seen in fertilizers, medicines, cosmetics, and biofuels. I don't want to wear makeup, I guess, or take medicine now. Algae have negative impacts too. They produce a thing like algae blooms, which can kill off fish, contaminate shellfish, and this will make people and other animals really, really sick. They also, during the algae bloom, when it dies and decomposes, they reduce oxygen levels in the water, which leads to big kill-offs of fish and damage the aquatic ecosystems. So in general, overall, algae are eukaryotic organisms that are photosynthetic and that mainly live in aquatic environments, like I stated earlier. They also play a vital role with producing oxygen and supporting aquatic food webs. However, they can reproduce harmful algae blooms that affect wildlife and human health as well. The end.